Communication plan for election. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. What do we mean by communication? Communication is the activity of conveying information through the exchange of thoughts, messages, or information as by speech, visuals, signals, writing, or behavior. It is the meaningful exchange of information between two groups or different persons. Communication requires a sender, a message, and a recipient. Plan is typically any diagram or list of steps with timing and resources used to achieve an objective. So we can say a communication plan is an approach to providing stakeholders with information. The plan formally defines who should be given specific information, when that information should be delivered, and what communication channels will be used to deliver the information. Why we need communication plan? We need communication plan because a perfect communication plan is an essential component of an effective election management system. It enables micromanagement of elections, concurrent tracking, and evaluation of issues and mid-course corrections. It helps the perception management and creates a huge psychological presence. It helps the prioritization of interventions. It builds confidence. Communication plan minimizes the response time. It enhances transparency. As the free and fair election is not only an end product but a process in itself. So, effective information management energizes the process at every level. It is not a free-for-all casual communication. It is about getting the correct information from the correct location by the correct person to be passed on to the correct persons in a correct manner in correct time. Personnels required to run communication plan. Deputation of officials or employees in the control room was done for its operation round the clock. District-wise different teams consisting of an officer, an assistant, and a data entry operator shall be formed. Equipment required. Well-equipped control rooms were set up at the CO and DO offices. Sufficient telephone hunting lines, fax machine with hunting lines, computers with broadband, scanners, etc. Printer. What do we mean by runners? Runners are those persons who, in shadow area or areas where there is a network problem, they are appointed to communicate the information. Runner could use a motorcycle or even a bicycle. Runners were run to the areas where signals are proper and disseminate the information. What to do to run a communication plan? Identification of service providers in the district. Identification of communication network, that is telephone network, internet network, or wireless network. Identification of communication shadow zone areas where no network is available or network of one company is available but network of another company is not available. So we shall collect all such information. Collection of contact numbers, that is numbers of office, residence and mobile number, fax and email addresses of the following persons are required: ECI officials, CEO office officials, district level officers and their staff, RO level officers and their staff, ARO level officers and their staff, BLOs, sector officers, all polling personnel, all police officers and their staff, micro observers, expenditure observers, videographers and digital cameramen, all officers and staff of different cells, observers, their licensing officers, drivers, bodyguards, political parties, candidates and their agents, electronic and print media people, collection center and dispatch center, control room, SST, FST team, different helpline numbers, strong room and their in charges, private persons residing nearby polling stations, all hospitals, civil surgeon and their doctors, ambulance services, drivers, cell number of fire brigade, different numbers of important hotels, cinema halls, video halls, airport, bus stand, railway station, and also the important telephone numbers of different officials of central government, PSU, state government or local bodies. Contact numbers of commandant or deputy commandant of Central Police Force, officials of NCC, Scouts, NSS, important education institutions, printing press, and also the number of different transporters. Regular meeting with service providers for uninterrupted network is essential. Alternative arrangements to be made for communication shadow zone areas like wireless, walkie-talkie, runners, etc. Verification of contact numbers in the communication plan by officers of control room. Training of all communication plan team members at DO, RO, ARO level. Mock rehearsal or dry run of communication plan. Distribution of communication plan database to returning officer or ARO or different district level cells for its use. Updating of database. Contact numbers of all concerned officials etc. should be uploaded on the relevant website. Tracking. The ECI also establishes a well-equipped control room for the purpose of running the communication plan. The communication teams at ECI CO headquarters will track poll day events through state level, district level, AC level, and at the polling station level. Every member of the communication team at each tier and the polling station level communication plan must know all the contact numbers and other details of all the persons associated with him in related higher and lower tiers. Everybody in the communication plan setup must be clear as to who is to talk to whom and how. Communication will be professional and focused. No extra words will be spoken. Complaints. Election-related complaints were received through fax and telephones. These were immediately recorded or typed in pre-formatted letters on the computers, emailed as well as faxed. The teams with the help of communication plan talked telephonically with the polling personnel, sector officers, patrolling team, zonal magistrate, ARO or RO, as well as the public on or near the concerned booth to inquire or verify the actual facts. Thus, all the complaints could be attended and almost disposed of the same day. Precautions to be taken. Keep conversation brief and to the point to keep the communication channel free from being jammed and congested. Ensure constant contacts with service provider and ensure the networks are in good health. Ensure that every person in the hierarchy who is a part of the communication plan is fully supplied with all the contact numbers and other details of all the related persons above and below him in the communication plan hierarchy. Try and keep separate phone lines for incoming and outgoing phone calls wherever possible. OK reports and comfort messages will be obtained from polling parties after reaching the polling stations. Significant events at any location will be monitored in a focused manner. Poll day activity shall collect the information on proper commencement of poll with conduction of mock poll and also presence and absence of polling stations. Tracking of voting by voters from pre-identified vulnerable positions. Violation of Model Code of Conduct. On the issue of law and order, they shall inform the concerned authorities immediately. Shall redress the grievances. If the voting process is interrupted due to technical reasons, EVM malfunction and replacement time, then they shall immediately inform the concerned authorities. Any other significant matters during the poll, including statistical information like poll percentage. Departure of polling parties after the poll. Complaint register. In the district control room, a separate assembly-wise register shall be maintained for every assembly constituency in the district. On the left-hand page, the complaint received in respect of the polling station will be lodged, and on the opposite page, the instructions issued to the field and response received from them on these complaints will be recorded. Besides this, any information received from any of the inspecting officers in the control room in respect of the polling booths covered by them are also to be lodged in these registers. Polling station-wise communication plan format is shown on the screen. RO level communication plan format is shown on the screen. DO levels communication plan format is shown on the screen. CO levels communication plan format is shown on the screen. In this video, we have seen what is communication plan and how it can be run. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the email shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown on the screen. Thank you.